Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Halloween bingo. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Halloween bingo, let's begin with the nose. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a line that's going to come over and then down like this. Then right inside of here, I'm going to draw a little curved line. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a big oval shape that's just going to curve to here. Then starting here, I'm going to make another big curve shape that's just going to go right to here. Right here, I'm going to make part of an oval shape, and I'm just going to color it in for the eye. Now, over here, I'm going to draw another big oval shape for the eye. Then we're going to make a curved shape right here. And then we're going to make another tall oval shape right in here that we're just going to color in for the pupil. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to about there. I'm going to curve this around. Then I'm going to bring it straight down to here. I'm going to make a little bump and bring it in. And another bump that I bring in. I'm going to make this come out, and we're going to curve it to here. Then we're going to go down and down, and then up here. Then starting in here, we're going to bring this line out. I'm going to bring it around and up. Then right here, we're going to make a long line down, and then a smaller one here. Now for the ears, let's draw a nice triangle that's going to come up and down. And then another one that's just going to come up and down. Then we'll put a small triangle right inside of each one. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Halloween bingo. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.